It's official. Scientists have confirmed what's inside the moon. Science alert. The verdict is in. Below are your comments. Of course it's not made of green cheese. It's made of Swiss cheese, that's why the moon's surface looks the way it does. I am sticking with cheese. Cheese has to come from somewhere. Most understand we have come a long way, but yet in all honesty, considering the distance across the MILKY way and unfathomable size of the universe in distances we really can't comprehend. We remain much like children standing at the lake shore skipping stone across the surface. We all know the moon is made of cheese. Get over it, science. It has a chewy nougat center. Please subscribe to my channel. And if you like it, please thumbs up.